Today in this video, we're gonna be. Oh, I'm Plush Monkey right here. I'm playing with Purple. We're playing bwah.
Yes, we are.
Why did you tell me to play this game?
It's
you know I like Steel Brain. Bro, you know I like Steel Brain.
I like Steel Brain Rock too, but I also like Grow Garden. You were in the admin bit. You saw those 6 burning boards
you literally said on the admin abuse of Grow Garden, you wish it was never made.
I never said that. Okay.
Well, you wish it got taken down.
No, I never said that. Anyway,
the only good thing about this game is you can do this.
Anyway, guys, let's go.
No, I like doing this.
So,
time we try to record my motion sick.
We have got a bunch of these. We're going to be playing the volcano update.
Did you just call me a bot, bro? Did you just call me a bot? Did you just call me a bot?
No.
No.
Yeah, you can content creators part 1 in bwah. Damn, bro got juked. Damn, bro went that far, bro went that far.
Ow!
What did I do? And you got cheeks, bro. You got cheeks.
What the fuck? What the frick? Fuck.
So I want to bring. Why do I have to get this whole thing?
The actual fuck.
Bam. Yeah, I'm trying to get a full inventory today, guys.
Where are they going?
Oh, I accidentally destroyed my thing. I'll just sell. Well, I need to get one more thing. This thing right here. This thing that looks like it would be from Steel Brain.
No.
Gotta be.
What the? Yo, bro, I said I wanted a carrot. Why did it have to be £20, bro? Why does a Yo, why does a carrot need to be £20, man?
I really don't know.
I'm making my friend.
Okay. I'm gonna have a lot of money by the end of this. How much money do you think I will get from all of this? I had
200,000.
I got 2,226.
I can buy blueberry.
I can buy corn seed. I'm gonna buy it. I don't want to waste my 1,000. What it is? Oh, I can't grab it.
I buy this. I can buy stuff.
What?
Blueberry.
Yo, I already had a corn seed. I didn't realize. To be honest, guys, in the comments, rate my garden. Rate my garden. Oh my god.
Definitely better.
Let me look at your garden. Bruh. All you've got is it. Wait. Guys, 1 second. Yo, bro, can you hear me? Okay. Guys, I'm gonna trick him to think that it's strawberry, okay? Let's go. Yo, dude, I was just looking under the map to see if there was anything. Yo, bro. He's looking. Dude. I'm gonna steal your strawberry, bro. I'm gonna steal your strawberry. I'm gonna steal your strawberry. Come on, let's go. He's trying to steal mine. He doesn't know. Yo, bro, look. I got it. Oh crap! I just dropped in there. Crap. I get it.
What? You're so mean. You're so mean, bro.
I mean,
Why?
it's called like
I'm gonna
steal
steal
a
yours.
garden. Steal a
No.
garden, bro. No,
I'm gonna
someone
steal
come
yours,
up
bro.
with a game called
Look,
Steal
I'm
a
gonna
Garden.
steal yours. I'm gonna pay real money to steal yours. Let me just... Alright, there. Bro, watch. Watch this, bro. Look. Look at this. Look at this. Wait a sec.
My strawberry. Oh wait, I forgot. He just did the same thing I did. Bro.
No, never. Definitely never.
Definitely never. No. So far. Grab. Whee. Oh crap. I need one thing. I want this one. Oh wait, no, I want this one, bro. I want this strawberry.
Bro, look at this, my garden. I got mine even way more better.
Nah. But this is better. Can I juke you for that? Come on,
Hold
man.
on.
What the hell? Where did he go?
Sugar on my...
I'm coming. Oh no.
Why are you treating me like a little child?
I really don't know.
Why? Why are you treating me like I'm a child? Good.
Brother. Right.
Are you
Don't mind
family
my
friendly
room.
by any chance?
Please do not mind my
Purple, are you family
Please.
friendly?
Yes, I am.
Oh, well, first I'm playing bwah. Let's go ask for seed. Can I have a carrot seed, please?
Oh, yes. Give me some money or you...
How much would that be? How much would that...
That would be $20.
What do you mean $20, bro?
Look at
Bro.
the menu of farm seeds. You'll see how much
Bro,
they are
I
next.
could buy a pencil for $5. These
That is
cost...
true.
Bro.
We need money desperately, okay?
No wonder he has that cowboy hat on, bro. Your friend behind you. No wonder he has that cowboy hat. Just give me it. They just
He's gonna
$20.
eat it, bro. He's gonna eat it.
No, give me my $20, bro.
J-
Give me my $20 back now. Take it.
Guys, this is going to be the end of the video. Hope you enjoyed that little funny part of the, well, that little, me being Sam part of the ending of the video. And, Mr. Posh Monkey, what do you have to say to the viewers?
Bye.